Despite the severity of constant new waves and soaring number of new cases, some countries have chosen to loosen or even lift COVID-19 restrictions due to gloomy economic outlooks and general fatigue in fighting the virus. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus has warned that living with COVID-19 doesn't mean pretending the pandemic is over.
With colder weather approaching in the northern hemisphere, it's reasonable to expect an increase in hospitalizations and deaths in the coming months. Subvariants of Omicron are more transmissible than their predecessors, and the risk of even more transmissible and more dangerous variants remains. Meanwhile, vaccination coverage among the most at-risk people remains too low, especially in low-income countries. But even in high-income countries, 30% of health workers and 20% of older people remain unvaccinated. These vaccination gaps pose a risk to all of us. Living with COVID-19 doesn't mean pretending the pandemic is over. Pretending a deadly virus is not circulating is a huge risk. Living with COVID-19 means taking simple precautions to avoid getting infected, or if you're infected, from getting seriously sick or dying. Once again, I'm asking all governments to update their policies to make best use of the life-saving tools that exist to manage COVID-19 responsibly.